Good evening, friends. Welcome to Connect Show Technical Insight. I am Rahul Randeria and I would be conducting today's show. Last week, we have discussed that Nifty might see selling pressure at the higher levels, but it didn't move as per our expectation. However, Nifty was into oversold territory last week, and we were just expecting a bounce back of maybe 1.5, or 2%. But from there, Nifty rallied beyond 2%, maybe 3 and 3.25% higher. And from there, we have seen selling pressure coming in the Nifty. So in the last week, Thursday, Friday was the day where we have seen severe selling pressure in the Nifty, and Nifty ended on a positive note, but it was quite low from the weekly highs. So definitely, Nifty is moving into a broad range in a very highly volatile manner. So definitely, this is going to be carried. This volatility would be carried into next week. Now, next week is a truncated week where Thursday is a trading holiday because of Mahashivratri. So we might see a wild swings into the market from Monday to Wednesday, because Wednesday would be the weekly expiry day. So we might see high swings into the markets. So traders need to be trading cautiously with strict stop losses. Now we would start discussing the index analysis. First of all, we will discuss on the Nifty. As you will see on the screen, the Nifty has been from the March lows, I mean to say March 2020 lows, Nifty has been moving in an upward rising channel, making higher tops, higher bottoms, and it has never breached this channel, and it has been hovering into this particular channel. As of now, the prices are on the midway of this particular channel. So definitely, looking at the price pattern of the last couple of weeks, maybe 4 to 6 weeks, and RSI, where the prices were making higher tops, the RSI was making lower tops, which clearly indicates that there has been a negative divergence on the RSI, and there has been clearly exhaustion seen on the Nifty. So again, as I discussed, that for the next week, it is going to be a highly volatile trading session because of the truncated week and a trading holiday on the Thursday. So traders need to trade cautiously uh, with strict stop losses. And again, we are having the same view that from these levels, Nifty might see some sort of pullback, maybe 1 or 2%, and then again we might see selling pressure coming in at the higher levels. So, let us discuss the important support and resistance for the Nifty for the next week. The crucial support for the Nifty in the next week are placed at the supports are at 14,760. This is the spot level. If it breaks, the next support is at 14,638. Then below that, the final support for the week is at 14,467. Whereas on the upside, the first resistance is placed at 15,092. Above that, 15,202, and above that, the final resistance for the week would be around 15,314. So most probably, the range for the Nifty for the next week would be almost around 15,300 on the upside to 14,500 on the downside. So trader needs to trade cautiously because of the truncated week, and we might see highly volatile session for the next week. Now let us discuss the Bank Nifty. Again, the Bank Nifty has also been moving in a very broad range. It has been seen on the daily charts that it has been moving in a very broad range. It seems to be into a time correction. You can clearly see on the screen that Bank Nifty has been moving in a sideways range, in a very broad particular range, which has been marked in a red circle on the daily charts. Again, RSI is tilting lower. It is on the midway. It is a negative divergence. So again, any pullback, maybe 1 or 2% in Bank Nifty, that should be used to go short at the higher levels. Bank Nifty would also be a highly volatile index for the next week. So traders need to trade with strict stop losses. So again, the strategy on the Bank Nifty should also be sell on rise, wait for 1.5 to 2% pullback from these levels, and then one can go short at from the higher levels. Now, the crucial support and resistance in the Bank Nifty are placed at. First of all, we will discuss the supports. The supports in the Bank Nifty are placed at 34,893. The next support is placed at 34,238. and the final support for the week is placed at 34,011. Whereas on the upside, the first resistance is placed at 35,616. Then next resistance is at 36,455, and above that 37,232. So most probably the range is broad because it would be a highly volatile trading session. And as you can see on the screen, as you have seen on the screen, that Bank Nifty has been moving in a very broad range. So again, I'm expecting a broad, highly volatile trading session in Bank Nifty for the next week. Now let us discuss the ratio analysis, option analysis. I mean to say, in the Nifty, the major concentration of the long position build or the highest open interest built up in the strike price of the Nifty calls are seen at 15,000. You can clearly see on the screen 15,100, 15,200, and 15,300. Again, the percentage change clearly shows that there has been strong writing seen in the out of the money strike price of the Nifty calls. So again, this data clearly indicates that we might see selling pressure coming in at the higher levels. Now in Nifty puts, the strong open interest has been built in the strike price of, you will see on the screen, 14,900, then 14,800, 14,700, and 14,600. And most probably again, I see that there has been almost slightly writing and slightly buying. So the mix of this data, which clearly indicates that I see Nifty moving in a range for the next week because of the truncated week, and I think that we might see the main objective for the next week would be the writing of the calls and puts on both the sides. So Nifty would remain range bound for the next week with a highly volatile trading days for at least for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Now let us discuss the Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, the major open interest has been built in the Bank Nifty calls are seen at 35,500, 36,000 calls, and 36,500 calls. You can clearly see on the screen that these are the three strike price where the strong open interest has been built. And looking at the percentage change, there has been a strong writing seen in the Bank Nifty call option of the out of the money call option, which is 35,500, 36,000, and 36,500. So again, the upside would be capped in Bank Nifty also. Now, the strong open interest built up in the Bank Nifty puts are seen at 35,000. You can clearly see on the screen. Then 34,500 and 34,000. And in percentage change, you can see there has been buying seen in the Bank Nifty puts. So we might see a volatile trading session. There might be the writing of call and put on both the sides in Nifty and Bank Nifty in calls and puts. So next week would be very crucial, highly volatile, and it would be and we might see wild swing coming into the markets. So traders needs to trade with strict stop losses and be nimble footed, or be trading with should trade with the light positions. Now the final segment for today's show would be the investment call, the positional call. I have identified a stock from a power sector, which is NHPC. The stock has been moving in a broad range. You will see on the screen, and the stock has been gaining momentum in the last couple of weeks. On the daily charts, the stock has been moving in an upward rising channel, slightly upward rising channel, making higher tops, higher bottoms. And if you see in the last 1.5 or 2 months, or maybe 4 to 6 weeks, there has been a slightly rise in the volumes, which clearly indicates that there has been accumulation seen in the particular stock. I mean to say NHPC. So swing traders or positional traders, those who want to take a call for next maybe 4 to 6 months, can accumulate the stock. The current market price of the stock is at 25 rupees and 75 paise. So maybe from current levels to maybe 24 rupees, one can accumulate the stock, which is NHPC, and positional target is seen at 31 rupees on the upside. Though the stock is a slow mover, but it is a defensive stock. So one can accumulate at current levels even on corrections. On the RSI also, the stock is clearly indicating a positive at the midway. So clearly it is indicating the momentums, the price setup, the volumes, the RSI, everything is indicating the stock is in an upward trajectory and might see a breakout on the upside from this rising channel, and then the stock is poised to rally towards the level of 31 levels. So one can accumulate from the current levels and on dips for short to medium term, or maybe for those who want to take a call for next 4 to 6 month investment call can buy a NSPC for a target of 31 rupees. So thank you very much. I would like to conclude today's show. Any comments you can give, or any comments or suggestion you can give in the comment box. For live update of the calls in Nifty, Bank Nifty, or individual stocks, you can connect me to my Twitter handle, which is @Rahul Randeria. Thank you for watching the show. Again, have a nice trading week. Thank you.